What is going on, guys? I hope everybody's having a great week. So if you haven't yet, and you've been coming across my videos and you like what you see so far, hit subscribe. If you do that, you'll know when this happens. Alright, so with that being said, let's just get into the video. This is part 2 of a company that I've reviewed before, and that company is The Luxurious Bastard. And the two products I'm going to talk about in the video today are a beard oil, and that is the Curious Bastard, right here. And then we're going to be talking about the infamous Holy Bastard. Alright, so let's just get into it. So let's start with the Curious. So I gotta say, so Dave at Luxurious Bastard, he's got his game down. I love the packaging, and we're gonna get into the product too, but this package, I just love it. The green bottle with the tan label. It's kind of has like this very vintagey matte finish to the label. Very nice. So again, kudos on the packaging there. Let's get into the ingredients here. All right, and this is, I gotta say, one thing I emphasized in the last video is the complexities that I get either in the scents and even in how these are put together. So this is the ingredients, so just hang with me here, alright? So we've got almond oil, avocado oil, rice bran oil, hazelnut oil, hemp seed oil, apricot oil, castor oil, love the castor, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and the Luxurious Essential Oil Blend. Alright, so what's this smell like? Well, let's get into that. Just gonna put a little bit here in my hand just to kind of wake it up, let it air up a little bit. So, guys, I will tell you one thing I appreciate about this brand in general, with what Dave does, with what he puts together. This is a very original scent that I'm getting right now. And I'm going to break it down the best I can. I can't pick apart any particular essential oil that I'm getting out of this, because the blend is that complex, and it's very nice. There's this like fresh, light undertone that I get. It starts there, and then it's there the whole time, and it finishes that way. Finishes nice and fresh. When you get on the top of everything, there's kind of like a musk, or maybe like a sweet spice kind of note, like a sweet musk or a sweet spice. Kind of a little earthy too. Again, so, pleasantly complex, this scent. I keep trying to smell it and break it down, but at the same time I'm enjoying it so much. It's one of those. But yeah, guys, this is a very, very nice scent. I'll describe it this way. It's almost like as if nature would make a fresh cologne. How would nature do it? Well, this is what nature would probably give you. You'd open a tree up and there'd be a bottle of this stuff sitting in the tree. I don't know. But yeah, it just has this like, it just has a very natural scent to it, like almost some botanical notes. Guys, like I said, it's so complex. Very, very nice though. And Curious is the perfect name for this. It's a very nice blend, and it keeps me guessing. Like, what am I getting here? But it's nice. It just has this like fresh, spicy kind of thing going on. Very cool. Very, very cool scent. Alright. You guys see the oil here too. It's yellow. Alright, it's got a yellow tone to it. So, I'm going to put some in my beard because I don't have any product in my beard right now. And then we're going to get to the balm, so. Oh, guys, it's just freaking, it just has this very, it almost has this invigorating effect too. Like I said, just a very, God, yeah, like I said, if nature had to make a cologne, there you go, this is what it is right here. Okay, now, moving on to the balm. So, this is the Holy Bastard, and I follow Dave, I follow the Luxurious Bastard on Instagram, and I've seen a lot of chatter on the Holy Bastard. I know it was in demand there for a while, and I know he's probably produced enough now, but I kind of understand why. Alright, so this is the canister here. It's a 2-ounce container. Alright, again, kind of the retro labeling here, and I'll tell you, everything he makes is by hand. I don't know if you can see it very well on my camera there. That's a batch number and even a can number of how big the batch was. So this is one of 12 that he made. This is batch number 25, can 6 of 12. All right, so handmade stuff. Getting to the ingredients here for the balm, we have shea butter, cocoa butter, white beeswax, bayberry wax, almond oil, avocado oil, rice bran oil, hazelnut oil, hemp seed oil, apricot oil, castor oil, love the castor, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and the luxurious essential oil blend. So I see this a lot with beard companies. They'll use the same oil blend or a very similar oil blend in their balms. Totally cool, love it. I think that's what really helps with consistency. One thing that I like about this balm is, if you heard what I said before, I mentioned there's 2 waxes listed in these ingredients. And that shows here in the way the balm looks. So here's the balm. Alright, it's kind of an off-white color. This is a very firm balm. I cannot really, I mean, it's going to take me a lot to put my finger into this balm. And I like it for that reason. This is one of those that I can definitely feel confident saying you're going to get some control and a little holding power out of this one. And I like it. It stays in the beard real well. And I'll show you how this works too. So again, I got a scrape, and there we go right there. And you can feel it's got a nice firm wax. It's still smooth, but it takes a little bit of effort to really get it going in your hand, and that's a good thing. I like it. And right there, so it's clear, emulsifies really nice. Let's put it in the beard. All right, I'm gonna finish with a brush. So my beard's a little shorter now, but when I was using this, my beard was a little longer. I really did feel like I had some really good holding power, gave me some good control, kind of helped keep the flyaways down. With a balm that's heavier like this, you also really get a very lasting conditioning effect. This stuff does just a great job all around. I do tend to like the thicker, waxier balms like this, but yeah, this is done very well. So, how does this smell, right? What does the holy bastard smell like? It is not going to take me long to explain this one. So, I grew up Catholic, okay? And when I got this in the mail, as a bearded guy, first thing I did, I opened it up and I smelled it. And I'm like, oh my goodness, this smells like church, okay? So like I said, I grew up Catholic. This smells just like the incense that was burned. Let me just kind of clarify. This is a lighter version of that incense. So like in church, Padre's a little heavy on the hand sometimes with the incense. I know the church I went to, Father, he loved putting that incense on. Man, it would smoke up the whole church. And I've always found that smell soothing. I know some people find it a little heavy. This is done, so it's done in a lighter way to where it actually just has a very nice finish to it. It's lighter, and maybe because I associate it with church, I still kind of smell a little smoke in it, and I like that though. I really do. It's smoky and fresh. It just finishes out very nice, and it also complements the other beard oils I've had. So I just put the Curious in this video, and I put that on top of it. Right now I'm smelling the Holy Bastard. Later, the Curious will come right back out, and my beard's still gonna feel. I'll still be able to feel that kind of the balm in the beard. It just does. These products do a great job. I do. I really like it. I like these products, so I'm gonna give this a recommend. The pricing is very reasonable, so go check out the website. Yeah, Dave is an awesome guy, and he's just super creative. I love, so far everything I've tried. I absolutely love it. You can tell it's original. You can tell he's put this stuff together himself. So go check it out, guys. Great company, great website. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I hope you have a great week. So take care.